Welcome students. आज हम एक interesting mathematical question को solve करेंगे. Given that quadratic equation, x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, हम improve karna hai कि अगर omega is equation का एक root है, इसका दूसरा root omega square होगा. साथ ही साथ हमें ये भी proof करना है कि omega cube is equal to 1 है. Roots of quadratic equation ka ek formula hoda hai x equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. But now roots ki property ko use karige is equation k roots cyclic hodi hain. It means agar ek root omega hai to dusra root omega square hoga. Ye property cubic roots of unity mein hodi hai. Step 1. Let's start with the equation. Given equation is x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equation ko use kurti huai hum omega ko ek root ke tor by substitute karige. Take left hand side, which is equal to omega power 4 plus omega power 2 plus 1 w power 4 co omega square whole power square, which id same aapko yahan se nazar raha ap complete square banaskti hain to hamiska complete square karte hain ismain 2 omega square ko add b karenge subtract b karenge after adding and subtracting to omega square cheering, which is equal to this. After simplifying, we get answer 0, which is equal to right hand side. And next, Jo Hami second cheese, prove karni hai, wo hai, k omega cube. K is equal to 1 hai, to equation 2 hai, aap usko multiply kari. Omega minus 1, c multiply karni ke baad, simplify karna. Then omega cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Ata and minus 1 ko. Right side pi lie j. Yay prove ho jega. K omega cube equal to 1 hai.